Welcome to our Learning is Expanding series, an integrated curriculum for core day and expanded learning brought to you by the San Diego County Office of Education. This is Cooking with Science. For this project, your students are going to learn how basic chemistry concepts lead into greater organic structures. Before we get into the curriculum, let's take a look at the supplies and resources you'll need for this project. Now let's break this curriculum down by day. On Monday, we will start by learning about elements, compounds, and mixtures by looking at household cooking items. For Tuesday, students will have the opportunity to determine the difference between physical and chemical changes by looking at popcorn. Moving into Wednesday, we will learn about the law of conservation of matter through a hands-on lab with baking soda and vinegar and melting ice. On Thursday, students will look at macromolecules and simple sugars by looking at nutrition labels. Finally, on Friday, we will explore proteins and lipids by analyzing different foods with Burette's reagent. Before we wrap, make sure you check out unit plans for detailed information, lesson plans, your list of supplies, and vital resources to help activate your own learning. Remember, whether it's connecting teachers and expanded learning practitioners through awesome projects or fostering student wonder and creativity, one thing we know for sure is that learning is expanding. Enjoy your project, and we look forward to collaborating with you again soon.